Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix secure boot not turning on your PC. So how to do this, let's get started. First open your BIOS and then go over to advanced and then select boot options. After here, once you're here, you just have to open this CSM compatibility support module and make sure it is set to disable. Then go over to secure boot and disable it and then enable it again. After that, hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.